Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Hey yo, what's up people, it's vdoestech, and today we're checking out the Soundcore Q35s. Now no, these weren't sent out by Soundcore. I paid that full price, $130, because Amazon had these up earlier than they should have been. So I just happened to get an early purchase on these. Now, I can really only just give my first impressions, because yeah, I've had them for about a week, but I can't give a full review because I don't have access to the app. So I'll cover my experience using them with the cord in Bluetooth without the app. But first, can we just bask in this blue? I mean, now color-wise, this blue is, how do I put it, fire. I would buy just about anything in this color wave. The build is sturdy, doesn't feel cheap. The ear cushions are nice and soft. The aux cable is good quality, but I also wish it was braided. Now the look, for me, they're just a bit too round in every way, from the headband to the ear pads. Now on my head, I don't think they look the best. No problems with the actual fit. These were made to fit all y'all XL heads out there. But nah, let me know if the look of a headphone on your head is actually important to you. Now battery life has been great. I'm at about 25 hours and they still have 40%. So I think it's going to kill that 40-hour mark easy. Speaking of battery, one of my biggest issues with these headphones is they never turn off. You can put them down, come back like 3 hours later, and they're still on. Maybe that's an app setting, but like I said, I still don't have the app yet. Now for the most important part, which is the sound. They have high-res audio, both ways, wireless and wired. Now, this is mostly for Team Android. Go to your Bluetooth settings, find the Q35s, and select what's important to you. Honestly, I could use it just like this. These are extremely bass heavy, and that puts a smile on my face. I like a U or a V-shaped sound, and these things can start rattling with the right track. Now, I didn't notice much of a difference when listening to music directly off of YouTube. But when I switched to Amazon HD Music, hey yo, huge difference. And honestly, when I used the aux cable, they sounded exactly the same, which is what impressed me the most. Now taking a call with the aux cable, yo, the audio was crystal clear. Bluetooth on the other hand, I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10. They still need to work on that. Now things haven't been all good. I have been having issues with the auto pause. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. NFC pairing doesn't always connect on the first try. And I've noticed a little bit of a sound clipping randomly when watching anime on Crunchyroll. But that's the only streaming place I've noticed it at. When I've switched to other headphones, no issues. So that's something I'll try out some more. ANC, that seems kind of basic. I have a feeling it'll get better once I get access to the app. Transparency it's definitely okay. It can get the job done, but not one of the best. Overall, these are a solid pickup even without the app. But for $130, yo, I need more time. I'll be back in a few weeks with a more in-depth review. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.